Okay, good morning 11th class. Then today we'll do electronic configuration of ions. That we have done electronic configuration for normal element. Okay, तो hope so you also understand that thing कि कैसे लिखते हैं ions के लिए. Okay, नहीं sorry, that in one for normal atom. Okay, now today I'll explain electronic configuration of ions. You know ions. Okay, cation or anion and how they are formed either by the loss of electron or gain of electron. After losing electron they acquire positive charge, means become cation, and after gaining electron they acquire negative charge. Okay, but अभी उससे concern नहीं है, simple electronic configuration of ions. But ions पता ही नहीं होंगे तो how to write electronic configuration. Okay, now whenever you will write electronic configuration of ions, जब भी ions के लिए लिखोगे तो your first work is, बाद में जब एक्सपर्ट हो जाओ देन इट्स डिफरेंट थिंग कि डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हो, बट व्हेन यू वांट टू राइट फॉर आयंस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट नॉर्मल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. ओके, जो नॉर्मल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है आफ्टर दैट गो फॉर आयंस. ओके, लेटर ऑन यू कैन डू इट डायरेक्टली, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, नाउ जस्ट सी, विल स्टार्ट विद, किसी से भी शुरू कर लें बट बड़े नंबर से. ओके, नाउ सपोज दिस वन इज okay iron, that one is 26. Their atomic number means number of electron also 26. Now 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, it's 18. Then 4s2 and 3d6. Okay, this one is your normal configuration. Okay, now just see, in this one if you have to write for this, okay, Fe2 positive. This Fe2 positive shows what? It means that removal of 2 electron. Means now how many electrons are left in case of Fe2 positive? That one is 24. Okay, but 24 तुम लोग ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते 24 की. You have written like this: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d4. 24 का मतलब क्या हुआ? ऐसे, but this one is wrong. Okay, this one is wrong, ये गलत है. Okay, now how to write for ions? तो in case of this just see, 2 electrons removed, 2 electrons चले गए. तो remember one thing, whenever 2 electrons is removed from an atom, अगर 2 electron जा रहे हैं तो they will always remove from outermost shell. Okay, outermost shell से निकल रहे हैं. तो इनमें से if you will check, तो which one is the outermost shell? 3 is not the outermost shell. सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है? 4. तो 4th shell is the outermost shell, but just because their energy is low, that's why we are filling 4s first. ये तो रीजन सबको पता है कि 4s की एनर्जी कम होती है बोहरबरी के अकॉर्डिंग, that's why we fill 4s first, but the outermost shell is 4th only. तो whenever electron will remove, तो first electron will remove from outermost shell, and that one in this case of iron, that one is S, 4s. Okay, so we can remove electron from this, that one is 4s, and 3, this one is 4s becomes 0, and 3d6. This one is clear. Okay, now second thing is, suppose this one is Fe3 positive. Okay, so Fe3 positive, other configuration remains same, no change, and here 2 electron removed from this and 1 electron, because now 3 electron removed, so 2 from 4s. आफ्टर 4s, अब आउटरमोस्ट शेल तो हट गया, इलेक्ट्रॉन चले गए, फिर कौन सा आ रहा है आपके पास? 3d. देन इलेक्ट्रॉन विल रिमूव फ्रॉम d. फर्स्ट फ्रॉम आउटरमोस्ट शेल 4s, फिर उसके बाद कौन सा आ रहा है? दैट वन इज 3d. ओके, तो देन इलेक्ट्रॉन इज रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम d. ओके, नाउ इन सम बुक, या कई बार ऐसे भी होता है अगर कहीं देखो बुक्स वगैरह में या कुछ है, मे बी वो लोग तुम्हें कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कैसे लिख के दे सकते हैं, लाइक दिस वन, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, okay, and 3d6 and 4s2. इसके लिए लिख सकते हैं, बट यू हैव टू फिल 4s फर्स्ट एंड 3d लेटर ऑन. फिलिंग इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर पैटर्न उसका थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे हो भी जाए, दैट वन इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. तो ये ऐसा मिल सकता है. दिस वन इज नॉट रॉन्ग बिकॉज फिलिंग ऑफ 4s इज फर्स्ट. Okay, now just see this one. Now you can take another example. कोई सा भी example ले सकते हैं. Now suppose this one is Zn. It's a 2 इसी का ही है. Now second one is Zn. It's a 30. Now 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Now 4s2. Okay, still 20. 10 more left. कहाँ जाएंगे? D में. तो it's a 3d10. Okay, now another thing is, suppose you are writing for ions, so that one is Zn2 positive. It means 2 electrons are removed from outermost shell. Okay, instead of this हम directly लिख सकते हैं इसमें, that one is argon because it's 18. Now after that 4s become 0 and this one is 3d10. वो मैंने shortcut की वजह से लिखा. You can also write same type of configuration. Okay, these this like this we can write. Okay, that one is electronic configuration of ions. Okay, इतना clear है. Now ions और उसमें we have some exceptional electronic configuration also. Okay, and that one is also just because of some rules. जरा वो भी कर रहे हैं. Okay. Okay, 11th class. Now another one, we have chromium. Okay, normally just see chromium is 24. Atomic number of chromium is 24. How to write? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 18. Now 4s2 and 3d4. Now check. Normal configuration क्या होनी चाहिए? Like this one. Okay, this one is 20 plus 24, but this is wrong. Okay, configuration is not like this. Okay, instead of this your configuration is, okay, configuration कैसी आ जाएगी? Now just see electronic configuration for chromium is 4s1 and 3d5. Why? Because of Hund's rule. क्या पढ़ा था हमने? That one is because of Hund's rule, because half filled and full filled orbitals are extra stable. So in this case, this one is also half filled, 4s1, okay, because one electron is there, and this one is also half filled. So to acquire more stability, this D take one electron from S and become more stable. So chromium की electronic configuration is like this instead of 4s2 and 3d4. So this one is exception. This one is exception electronic configuration. Okay, so accordingly, if you will write for chromium ion, so electron will remove from S first, its outermost shell, and after that from 3d. Okay, now same condition with copper. That one is 29. कितने होने चाहिए? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d9. But again this one is also wrong. Instead of 3d9, to acquire more stability, okay, here electronic configuration is 3d10. It's the same rule, Hund's rule. Okay, half filled and full filled orbitals are extra stable. Okay, so to acquire extra stability, copper also shows exceptional behavior. Reason is same. This question is very important for your 12th class also. रीजनिंग मिलेगी तुम्हें, अगर यहाँ पे क्लियर नहीं हुई तो आगे भी क्लियर नहीं हो सकती. ओके, तो इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट तो आस्क. ओके, नाउ इन दिस वन इफ यू विल राइट फॉर Cu positive, okay, other thing remains same. Instead of this you can write 4s0, one electron is removed from 4s, and this one is 3d10. If you will write for this, then other thing is same. That one is 4s0. Now electron, because of outermost shell तो हट चुका है. Okay, so this one is 9. Okay, so now in this case if you will not write 4s0, that one is also okay, marks नहीं deduct होंगे. Okay, so this one is regarding to your electronic configuration of ions and exceptional electronic configuration. Okay. Now 11th class, we have one question, different type. That one is indicate the number of unpaired electron in. Indicate, तुम्हें number of unpaired electron indicate करना है. Now just see first one is phosphorus. So for writing this one ki how many unpaired electrons are present, to identify that thing you have to write electronic configuration. Okay, and for that you have to learn, okay, atomic number at least up to 30. इतने तो मुझे चाहिए. Okay, now just see that one is 15. It's a 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. Okay, now just see completely filled, die, completely filled, completely filled, completely filled. Means up to this we don't have any unpaired electron. Now check this one. Here it's written 3p3, and you know in case of p how many orbitals we have? 3 orbitals. Like this one, we have 3 orbitals. Okay, and in according to Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity, when the orbitals have same energy, the first electron fills singly and then pairing अगर, that one is very important rule. Okay, कि हमेशा क्या करना है, पहले इसको सिंगल भरेंगे and then pairing अगर. This one is right. Don't do this कि कहीं सोचो like you can write and you will write one unpaired electron, तो your answer will be wrong, गलत हो जाएगा and you will get obviously लड्डू एक बड़ा सा zero मिलेगा. Okay, now so what you have to do, that one is simple. Now check Hund's rule के according, 3 unpaired electron, this one is 3 p orbital, 1 2 3 electrons are there, so it means how many unpaired electron, that one is 3 unpaired electron in case of phosphorus. Like this you can go for silicon and you can go for chromium also. Okay, that one is silicon is 14. Okay, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. Okay, 10, 12, 13, 14. Okay, now how many unpaired electron you can do like this? Okay, 1 and 1. तो दिख रहा है सामने कि this one is unpaired electron. गलती मत करना कि no unpaired electron की कहीं यहीं pairing कर ली. No, that one is wrong. तो it's 2 unpaired electron in case of silicon. Now another thing we have chromium. Now just see chromium. Okay, now in case of chromium, that one is 24. and remember one thing, this one is a exception element जो exception वाली configuration दिखा रहा है, so that one you can write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, sorry 3s2, 3p6, done. 4s2, no, you have to write 4s1 and 3d5. now check number of unpaired electron in this case. कितने unpaired electrons होंगे? Okay, calculate फटाफट जल्दी. You have 1 minute. Pause the video और इसको calculate करके देखो. Okay, hope so done. कुछ किया? Now just see in this one, that one is first of all 4s1 अकेला electron है, तो 1 electron unpaired here. Now in case of D, how many orbitals are present in D? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and only 5 electrons are present. Hund's rule, same energy, एक electron भर रहे हैं. That one is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It means how many electron? 5 unpaired electron. No pairing is there. Okay, so total is 6 unpaired electron in case of chromium. Okay, this one is about your indicate the number of unpaired electrons, so like this you can identify. Okay, now 11th class your chapter is complete. Next we will start with the periodic table. It's a periodic classification of elements. Okay, thank you.